Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. A marble is dropped from the roof of a house. It takes the marble 1.37 seconds to reach the ground. Find the height above ground from which the marble was dropped. An object falling vertically is doing so under the force of gravity. That means that the formulae we use when we consider objects moving with uniform acceleration are all available for us to use. I'm going to go ahead and write those down. V equals U plus AT. V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. S equals UT plus a half AT squared. S equals VT minus a half AT squared. And S equals U plus V, all divided by 2 multiplied by T. Let's go through what those variables mean. U is our initial velocity. V is the final velocity. A is the acceleration. T is the time. And S is our displacement. With the exception of time, all of the other remaining quantities are vector quantities, and therefore their direction matters. At this point, I therefore need to specify a positive and a negative direction. Now, given that the marble is dropping from the roof of the house down towards the ground, I'm going to regard downwards as positive and upwards as negative. That means that my acceleration, which is downwards, will be a positive value. In a question where the value of acceleration is not specified, we usually take the acceleration to be 9.8 meters per second squared. Now, I'm going to write down the information that I've been given. So T is 1.37 seconds. A, as we've already established, is 9.8 meters per second squared. U is 0, and S, which is the displacement, is the value I'm trying to find. So given the quantities that I know and the one that I'm trying to find, the most appropriate formulae is this one. S equals UT plus a half AT squared. So I'm going to write that down. Now, because U is 0, U multiplied by T will also equal 0. So that leaves us with a half AT squared. And A is 9.8. And the time is 1.37, which I'm squaring. Only the time is being squared. A half multiplied by 9.8 isn't. However, if I go ahead and work this out, then the answer is 9.2 meters. That means that the marble, which has been dropped from the roof of the house and takes 1.37 seconds to reach the ground, has dropped a distance of 9.2 meters. If you found this video useful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.